Well,
let me hide my face. I can't see.
I think someone came to our house.
What?
There's stuff here.
What?
Who came last night?
I don't know. Hey, buddy.
Yeah.
Let's go check.
Daddy gonna take you pee?
Go pee first, right? Come here. Don't touch me.
What?
Yes, he came here.
Here, I'll pee.
Oh, there's candy in the bathroom.
Yeah, that's gross.
Oh, oh, oh. Oh, there's a source of Honey's book. Oh, oh. And that was, wow. I saw the newspaper in town. It told that I did it.
Keep going.
I did it.
Listen. Can you do something?
What?
Do you see your basket? Can you take it and pick up all the eggs?
No, thank you. I'm going to look at the present.
What? The Easter Bunny brings presents. I thought he just brought eggs and leaves fluff all around.
Those are pieces of his bunny tail. Whoa, where's the trail go, Will? Oh.
He liked it though. Aww. I got dino trucks.
Where's the trail go? Follow the eggs. That's Mommy and Daddy's stuff.
What?
Where do your eggs go? Follow the trail. Over the brown thing.
Hey, where's Coach and Frank?
What?
Where's Coach and Frank?
Is he there?
Ah, he made it though. Maybe Tokyo.
Okay, why don't you go look over there?
Where's Coach and Frank?
Why don't you look on the other side of the brown thing? See if there's anything over there.
Coach and Frank. Oh, look, open up this one. Hey, sheep, the sheep want some of these things. Who wants them? Take all the Easter eggs out.
Did the bunny leave eggs everywhere, Will?
Yes, he gave me Coach and Frank.
Wow, you must have been a good boy.
Whoa! It was on the commercial.
Yeah.
The kid don't drop it.
Did the bunny eat a snack?
Yeah.
Did you see?
Open up it for me.
Go check his snack. See if he ate what you left him. Oh,
He finished his milk and his carrot and his cookie.
Good boy. Where's the trail go? Does it hop right out the door?
Yes, he just hopped right into the door.
Oh.
Like this, hop, 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 hop. You'll have to chase Frank. Oh, they're not funny. Call me Tomato.
Lily, what else did Easter Bunny bring you?
What else did you get?
Who's on that book?
My singing monster book. Wow. Tokyo Mayday. Dino trucks. Whoa.
Look at the shirts you got.
Another book.
What's that book?
Oh, another book. Wow. Another book.
Look at this.
What?
Look at your shirts.
Wow.
Did he get you My Singing Monster shirts?
Yes, a Weibo.
What's that yellow and blue thing up there?
Oh, it's just some shirts.
On top of the shirts. That looks like a life jacket to go swimming in Florida.
Oh. Wow. He gave me collecting. You put some water in here.
Say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.